Hello everyone, my name is Amar Bansal and today I'm going to talk about system design and architecture. So when a user uses the browser to search any website, so let us understand what exactly is happening in the background. So a user type google.com into the web browser. So this browser connects with the DNS. Now this DNS takes the name of the website and returns with the server IP. Now, once we receive the server IP from the DNS, now browser tries to use this IP to access the server. In between of this, we can keep our static assets over the CDNs. So let's understand what is CDN. So CDN are the content delivery network. If we talk about CDNs, then in that case, a server is the place which will be located somewhere in the world. Now, if every user tries to access that server, it will be very hard to serve the request. So we do have a drawbacks of that. The response will be slow, and there will be a issue of load and bandwidth. So what solution we do have? So over the different reasons, we can have our CDN networks. So these CDN servers are will be located to the respective regions. Now, whenever our user try to access the assets, so it will not be requested to the server, and now the CDN server will be fulfilling the request. So now the assets are downloaded on the browser and we are able to access it. Now if we tries to interact with the server with a large number of requests, then there will be an issue. So next consider that we have a server of 500 MB RAM. So if we tries to access with millions of users, it will be very hard and the server will crash. So what we can do? We can either increase the RAM size of our server, right? So from 500 MB to 2 GB we can do. So now more number of requests can be served. But in this case, there will be a problem because this will be a single point of contact. So this type of upgradation in the server is known as vertical scaling. So what are the other solutions we do have? We can do horizontal scaling as well. Now in this horizontal scaling, we will be having a multiple instances of the server. So if we do have multiple instances of the server, then how the request will know that to which server it needs to connect? So for that, we do have node balancers. So this node balancer will be an intermediate system which will be connecting browsers and the server. So if we do have n number of server, so this node balancer will be helpful for us to proceed the request. So there are some of the algorithms like round robin, wait, or hashing can be used to serve the request further. So these servers can connect to other services. So for this services, we need to have some other services like login mechanisms is there, right? So let's see how this server other services are connected to this. So now we for this n number of instances server, we might be having a database caching system or a cloud storage for the various other purpose. In this case, we also have a data warehouse where we put all the data for the analytics purpose. Now, if we do have n number of server and we are logging the logs for each instance of those server, so how we are going to read those logs? So for this, we can use ENK stack, which will be on Elastic, Logistics, and Kibana dashboard. So now interaction between these servers with the other services or with each other can be handled using the messaging queues. If we do have a large number of data in which we want to search something, so for that we can use the search engine such as Elasticsearch. Thank you.